everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. It's rainy here in BC, but I have a Pandora unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. Bag of the day is my Mix Star bag, and it holds a lot of stuff. All right, bought that in the UK for 27 pounds, about 5 or 6 years ago. Still good. All right, so today is the launch of the Disney 100 charm. So this is the last one of the 8. There is a rumor saying that they're gonna have a bonus charm, but I haven't seen it yet. So if you know anything about it, let me know in the comments below. All right, so the packaging, she gave me tissue, which was nice. This is usually $1 extra, but at the store, I guess you have to request it and they don't charge you. But when you order online, they charge you $1. All right, so that's another sheet of Pandora tissue paper, basically. All right. And this is the authenticity that you get. So each one of the 8 charms, you get authenticity. It tells you all about the charm, what it's made out of. Disney 100. This is Mickey Mouse. And that's what that looks like. So if you're collecting these are limited edition. So some of them may be sold out by now. But if you can get your hands on it, make sure that you get, this comes with it. Okay, so make sure you get it. All right, I have my receipt. And then make sure that you get the sleeve. That's the, see how it's like opalescent, and it will say Disney 100 on one side, and then it will say Disney X Pandora. So make sure that you get the sleeve on your box. All right. So let's go ahead and take the sleeve off for now. And then this is just the regular Pandora box. They changed the lettering, if you notice, so. All right, so this is Mickey Mouse, and he has, it's a dangle charm, and his feet are 14 karat. And he's holding a Pandora Diamond in his hand. So let's see here. Yeah, there, it's a little bit better that way. Yeah, these are really little, so they're very hard to see, but you can kind of get an idea. See his feet. And I'll leave a picture also. That's what Mickey looks like. There you go. That's a little better. And then the dangle is right there. And the lipstick that I'm wearing today is called Rose Cocktail, and it is by Lancome. And I have just a gloss over it. Just a clear gloss to jazz it up a bit. Yeah, see the feet. And then he's holding the Pandora Diamond. All right, so that's what we got today. So if you know what the bonus charm may be, let me know in the comments. The rumor is it would be Winnie the Pooh. So I don't know if that's true or not, but we'll see what happens. And if you're collecting any of the Pandora 100, this is the last charm, technically, for the collection. And if you purchase 2 charms or more, you should have received, unless they ran out, the limited edition jewelry box that is in the shape of a Mickey head. All right? All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share is always appreciated. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.